What is the duty of Ahmadi Muslims? The promised Messiah and Mahdi al-Maud Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad alayhi salam says, "Your duty now is to devote yourself to prayers, seeking forgiveness, worship of Allah, purification of the soul, and so make yourselves entitled to the kindness of Allah and His favors, which He has promised. Although God has given me great promises and prophecies, and I am confident of fulfilling them with full confidence, you should not cherish them. Avoid a means of envy and disgust, and the resentment, and the absence, and growing up, and the patronage, and fornication, and the break of dawn, the obvious and the mysterious, and avoid laziness and carelessness, and know that the punishment is always for the pious, as Allah Almighty says, and the punishment is for the pious." Affirmations 129. So try to be pious. The words.
गुजरे हुए 100 साल की तारीख गवाह है, साए की तरह साया फिगन हम पे खुदा है। गुजरे हुए 100 साल की तारीख गवाह है,